Welcome to our channel. Activating Sling TV on your Firestick is easy and gets you streaming live TV quickly. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Turn on your Amazon Firestick and navigate to the home screen using your remote control. Step 2. Search for the Sling TV app using the search function. Use the magnifying glass icon and type Sling TV with the on-screen keyboard. Step 3. Select the Sling TV app from the search results and click Download or Get to install it on your Firestick. Step 4. Open the Sling TV app once the installation is complete. You'll find it in the Your Apps and Channels section on your Firestick home screen. Step 5. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible while you complete the activation process. Step 6. On your computer, smartphone, or tablet, visit the Sling TV activation website. The URL will be shown on your Firestick screen, typically sling.com, activate. Step 7. Enter the activation code from your Firestick into the website. Sign in with your Sling TV account credentials if you have an account, or sign up for a new subscription if you're a first-time user. Step 8. Wait for confirmation on both your TV and the website. Your Sling TV app will refresh automatically, and you can start watching live channels and on-demand content immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.